How to start an LLC in Wyoming. Starting an LLC in Wyoming offers numerous benefits, including favorable tax treatment and strong privacy protections. This guide outlines the essential steps to establish your limited liability company, ensuring compliance with state regulations while settling a solid foundation for your business. Follow these steps to embark on your entrepreneur journey. Choose a unique name for your LLC. The first step in forming an LLC in Wyoming is to choose a unique name that adheres to the state's naming requirements. The name must include the phrase limited liability company or abbreviations such as LLC. Additionally, it must be distinguishable from existing business names registered in Wyoming. To ensure that your desired name is available, you can conduct a name search on the Wyoming Secretary of State's website. This step is crucial because a unique name not only reflects your brand identity but also helps avoid legal complications down the line. Appoint a registered agent. Next, you need to appoint a registered agent for your LLC. A registered agent acts as your business official point of contact for receiving legal documents, tax notices, and other important correspondence. In Wyoming, the registered agent must have a physical street address within the state and be available during regular business hours. You can choose an individual resident or a professional registered agent service. Selecting a reliable registered agent is essential as they play a key role in maintaining your LLC's good standing with the state. File articles of organization. Once you have chosen a name and appointed a registered agent, the next step is to file the articles of organizations with the Wyoming Secretary of State. This document officially establishes your LLC and includes essential information such as the LLC's name, the registered agent's details, and the signature of the organizer. The filing fee for this document is $100 and you can submit it online for faster processing or by mail if you prefer. Filing articles of organization is a critical step as it legally recognizes your business entity in Wyoming. Create an operating agreement. Although not required by law in Wyoming, drafting an operating agreement is highly advisable for any LLC. This internal document outlines the management structure, rights and responsibilities of members, as well as operational procedures for the business. An operating agreement helps to clarify how decisions are made, how profits are distributed, and what happens if a member wants to leave or if a new member are added. Having this agreement in place can prevent misunderstandings among members and provides a clear framework for running your LLC effectively. Obtain an employer identification number or EIN. After establishing your LLC, it's important to obtain an employer identification number from the Internal Revenue Services. An EIN serves as your business's social security number for tax purposes and is necessary for various activities such as opening a business bank account and hiring employees. Even if you are a single-member LLC and may not be required to have one, obtaining an EIN is recommended for privacy and security reasons. You can apply for an EIN online through the IRS websites at no cost. Open a business bank account. To maintain proper financial management and protect your personal assets, opening a dedicated business bank account for your LLC is essential. The separation of personal and business finances not only simplifies bookkeeping but also enforces the limited liability protection that your LLC provides. When setting up your account, you will typically need to provide your EIN, articles of organization, and possibly your operating agreement. Having a separate bank account helps establish credibility with clients and vendors while ensuring compliance with the legal requirements. Obtain necessary licenses and permits. Finally, depending on the nature of your business and its location in Wyoming, you may need to obtain specific licenses or permits to operate legally. Different industries have varying regulatory requirements. Therefore, it's essential to research local, state, and federal regulations applicable to your business type. Check with the local government offices or consult resources like the Wyoming Business Council to identify necessary permits or licenses. Ensuring compliance with all legal requirements will help you avoid fines or disruptions in your business operations down the road. By following these steps, you can successfully establish your LLC in Wyoming, safeguarding your personal assets and enjoying the benefits of limited liability. With careful planning and compliance, you're well on your way to building a thriving business. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.